Welcome back to my channel. Having you here again brings so much joy and energy. The house foundation begins with digging, each scoop of soil marking progress toward a dream home. Then comes leveling the ground, creating a firm, steady base for everything that's about to rise. Fences go up to mark out each section of the land. Every corner is clearly defined, laying the groundwork for a well-organized and thoughtfully planned living space. Using the natural slope of the land, a clever dig into the hillside shapes sturdy earthen walls. No need for extra materials, just smart use of what's already there, giving the home both strength and character. Wooden stakes go into the ground, followed by long branches crisscrossed between them, forming a rustic yet sturdy fence. This simple, effective method blends beautifully with the natural surroundings. The process begins with digging a deep, well-shaped pit, every edge carved with care. Once the hole is ready, a waterproof liner is laid evenly at the bottom, preventing water from seeping out. Stones are then arranged neatly on top to secure the liner and add a natural look. Finally, water from a nearby stream flows gently in, turning the pit into a clear, serene pond nestled in the heart of a vibrant garden. A large truck is hired to transport heavy stones to the site. The truck rolls down a dusty road with rocks securely packed in its bed. Upon arrival, workers begin unloading the stones, stacking them carefully for the next steps, including the pond, retaining walls, and pathways around the property. He gathers solid wood, selecting the right planks for each part of the project. The saw is brought out, its sharp blade smoothly cutting through the wood, shaping it into precise pieces. Afterward, a planer is used to smooth the surfaces, making the wood sleek and ready for the next steps in the crafting process. The process of setting up vertical supports starts by placing sturdy wooden posts in position, ensuring each one stands straight and solid. The posts are reinforced carefully to prevent any shifting as the project moves forward. Each vertical support plays a crucial role as the foundation for the house frame and structures above. The process begins by mixing soil and water in the right proportions to create a construction blend. Once the mixture reaches the right consistency, the wall is built by integrating large stones into it. Each stone is carefully placed within the soil mixture, forming solid, durable walls. Combining soil and stone not only reinforces the strength of the structure, but also adds a natural, rustic appeal. Horizontal beams are installed as an essential part of the house frame. Sturdy wooden beams are connected to the vertical supports, creating a solid linkage that ensures the structure's stability. The beams are carefully measured and positioned, dividing the space and supporting the weight of the structure above. Additional exterior walls are added to the house, with each side forming a triangular shape, enhancing the uniqueness and aesthetic of the structure. These walls are built using wood and stone, ensuring stability and fitting perfectly with the overall design. Each triangular wall not only adds beauty to the house, but also reinforces the strength of the external elements. The process of building the roof begins with placing sturdy beams to form the foundation of the structure. Roof tiles or metal sheets are carefully selected and installed in layers to provide waterproofing and weather resistance. The roof is designed to be both strong and visually appealing, with tiles or sheets securely fastened to protect the space beneath from rain and wind. A waterproof tarp is laid down on the ground to prevent water from seeping underneath the roof, providing a solid layer of protection for the space below. Then, a fresh moss carpet is added, bringing a natural green touch to the surrounding area. The moss carpet not only creates a vibrant focal point, but also improves air quality, making the space feel more connected to nature. He begins by cleaning the walls, removing dust and dirt to create a smooth, clean surface. Then, he lays down large stones, carefully selected and arranged to form a solid foundation. The stones not only make the surface durable, but also add a natural beauty, creating a striking feature for the living space. The process of creating a small built-in cabinet begins with selecting sturdy wood materials that fit the space. The cabinet size is carefully measured to maximize the use of the area without disrupting the room's openness. Each piece of wood is cut precisely and assembled carefully to form a neat cabinet, with solid doors and simple, elegant handles that blend seamlessly with the overall design. The process of building a wooden bed starts by selecting durable wood that is easy to work with and suits the space. The bed size is carefully calculated to provide enough room for a person to lie comfortably, with appropriate length and width. Each wooden piece is cut, sanded carefully, and skillfully assembled to form a sturdy bed with smooth surfaces and soft edges, ready for use. The process of making the front door begins with selecting sturdy wooden planks to create a strong, secure entrance for the house. The door size is carefully measured to fit the frame. Each wooden piece is cut precisely and assembled together, forming a durable, beautiful door that can withstand harsh weather. The door's surface is finished with a protective coat of paint, enhancing its appearance while helping it resist environmental elements. The house construction is complete. Measurements are taken, and posts are carefully driven into the ground to frame the area in front of the house. The posts are selected to ensure they are sturdy and aligned properly. Once the posts are in place, the remaining parts of the yard will be built, including walkways, gardens, and small decorative details to create a complete, harmonious, and visually appealing space. The process of building a fence around the yard begins with using sturdy wooden posts or other durable materials to create a strong barrier. Each post is carefully driven into the ground, and cross beams are attached to form a solid fence. The fence not only serves as protection, but also adds a natural beauty that blends well with the garden space. Every detail is carefully crafted to ensure both aesthetic appeal and long-lasting durability. The process of fencing around the water pond previously dug begins with using wooden posts or other materials to form a protective barrier around the area. The posts are securely driven into the ground, and cross beams are connected to create a strong fence that prevents animals or strangers from approaching the pond. The fence not only serves a protective function, but also enhances the beauty of the surrounding area, blending seamlessly with nature. He begins planting trees around the area, choosing types that are suitable for the soil and climate conditions. Each tree is placed in a prepared hole, with roots spread out to encourage healthy growth. After planting, he waters the trees to help them establish roots and grow strong. Planting trees not only provides shade, but also creates a lush, green space that improves air quality and enhances the surrounding area's beauty. The process begins by laying stones and thin round wooden planks in the yard, creating a harmonious and natural space. The stones are arranged neatly to form a solid pathway, while the thin round wooden planks are placed in between to add a unique touch. Specifically, the wooden planks create a pathway leading from the outside to the front door, offering both convenience and a connection to nature, enhancing the beauty of the garden area. The yard is swept clean, with dust and dry leaves removed to make the space tidier and more open. Then, a moss carpet is laid in the empty spots, creating a soft, lush green layer. The moss carpet not only beautifies the yard, but also brings fresh, clean air, creating a natural and refreshing atmosphere, making the space more lively and comfortable. A small area is constructed next to the house, possibly a canopy or a small garden, creating additional outdoor space. Materials are carefully chosen to match the house's overall design, making this area blend harmoniously and feel cozy. This addition not only increases the living space, but also creates a relaxing, comfortable spot, perfect for unwinding or entertaining guests. A stove is built next to the house, resembling a small house, creating a cozy and practical space. The stove is constructed solidly from bricks and stone, with a roof to protect it from rain and sun. Inside, the space is simply designed but fully equipped, with a fireplace and cooking area. This small stove not only provides warmth in the winter, but also adds an interesting feature to the surrounding yard. The roof for the stove is made of wood, using sturdy wooden planks to create a warm and natural look. The wooden roof is carefully installed to ensure it is strong and durable. Then, a layer of foil is laid on the roof to enhance water resistance, protecting the space beneath from rain and wind. Finally, a moss carpet is placed over the foil, creating a lush green layer that not only beautifies the roof, but also brings a closer connection to nature. The stove is constructed using stone and a mixture of earth and water, creating a solid and durable structure. Stones are stacked on top of each other to form the body of the stove, while the earth mixed with water creates a sticky substance that binds the stones together. This earth-water mixture not only stabilizes the stove, but also allows it to withstand heat and retain warmth for longer periods. This structure brings a rustic, durable, and efficient design to the stove. He begins collecting firewood to burn in the stove, selecting dry, solid logs that catch fire easily. The wood is neatly arranged inside the stove, ensuring an even and efficient burn. As the fire starts, the stove gradually radiates warmth, creating a cozy and comfortable space. Burning firewood not only provides warmth, but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for chilly days. A small hut is being built next to the pond, creating an additional outdoor relaxation space. The hut is made of wood with a light roof to protect from sun and rain. Inside, the space is simply designed yet cozy, with a chair or small table for resting. The surroundings of the hut blend with the pond, offering a peaceful, nature-connected atmosphere, perfect for moments of relaxation or enjoying the beautiful view. The hut is further constructed with wood, using sturdy wooden posts to form the frame, similar to the structure of a house. The posts are tightly fastened and reinforced to ensure stability and durability. The roof is made from wood or similar materials, contributing to a rustic, nature-inspired look. The interior is simply arranged yet functional, offering an ideal space for relaxation for those who enjoy the outdoors. The roof of the hut is made of wood, using sturdy planks to create a solid and rustic structure. Once the roof is finished, A layer of foil is laid on top to enhance waterproofing, protecting the hut from rain and sun. Finally, a moss carpet is spread over the foil, creating a lush green layer that helps the roof blend with the surrounding nature. This roof not only provides protection, but also enhances the natural soothing beauty of the outdoor relaxation space. He continues to perfect the roof of the small hut, paying attention to every detail to create a sturdy and aesthetically pleasing structure. After laying the wooden roof in foil, he reinforces the wooden beams to protect the roof from strong winds. The wooden planks are carefully arranged, creating a solid roof while maintaining a rustic look. Once the moss carpet is laid down, the space beneath the roof becomes open and closely connected to nature. He begins by constructing the floor for the hut, using thick, sturdy wooden planks to create a solid foundation. The planks are laid tightly together, forming a smooth and even surface. Once the floor is done, he proceeds to build chairs from natural wood, selecting planks with a rustic design that are sturdy and comfortable. The chairs are simply designed, yet cozy, allowing people to relax and enjoy the surrounding space. The hut is now complete with a sturdy wooden roof, smooth wooden flooring, and comfortable seating. Every detail is carefully finished, from each plank on the roof to the lush moss carpet on top, creating a relaxation space that blends seamlessly with nature. The chairs are placed around the space, providing an ideal spot for resting, reading, or enjoying the surrounding view. Tea. The house is now complete with all the areas: a cozy stove, a clear pond, a small hut for relaxation, and a spacious yard. Every corner of the house has been carefully crafted, creating a living space that harmonizes with nature. Don't forget to share these beautiful images and subscribe to the channel to follow exciting videos and updates on future projects.